here is how you can reset your Android but without deleting anything. Let me guide you through it and explain the ways you can take to make that happen. If you are first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials both about Android as well as iPhone, so I believe you will find it helpful. Okay, so you open up your settings, and if you find the general management, which is somewhere among the menus in here, and at the bottom you should find the reset. And when you click on reset, this is the important and interesting page because we have the things like resetting all settings, as well as mobile network settings, resetting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as well as accessibility. And if you choose any of these four options, which are only resetting the settings, then you're not losing any data. It's not going to remove the photos. It's not going to delete any contacts or any files you have on your device. It will only change the way your phone is set up. So if you need just that, then these are like the cool options. Like you can reset all settings and your phone is going to keep all of the data, but it will behave, or it will be set up like out of the box. But if you want to clear everything, like at the bottom, we have the factory data reset, which will essentially wipe everything. It will erase all data, including files and apps and everything, right? So you can proceed with that option and it will clear the phone completely. So if you want to do this and still not lose the data, you need to perform a backup. So at the top of this page, we have two backup options available. At least in my case, we have the temporary cloud backup as well as external storage backup. So for example, if I click on the external storage one, as long as I have any device connected, for example, an external SSD or a USB stick, which is going to be large enough, I can actually physically connect it through the port below. And then I'm going to be able to perform a backup where I store all of the data from the phone on an external device, and then I can reset it and erase all phone. Or I can also perform the temporary cloud backup, which uses the Samsung Cloud for 30 days. It's going to store my data. That's useful if I'm switching to another phone and I just don't want to lose stuff. So that is all I wanted to share. Let me know if there are some additional things which you kind of had in mind and wanted to know more about. Let me know about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.